The wait is almost over, and this time we're not talking about another rumor. Insta360 has officially started teasing its next-generation 360 camera, the Insta360 X6, and that changes everything. After weeks of leaks, leaked images, and speculation, we finally have an official launch date, August 12th. But what makes the X6 really interesting is that the biggest upgrades may be hiding inside the camera. Insta360 has launched the X6 teaser campaign with the tagline, "Inspiration in every direction." And the company has also created a pre-launch campaign page featuring an X6 giveaway. That's a strong indication that the marketing campaign is now fully underway. At the same time, several promotional images have started appearing online. These leaked lifestyle shots show the X6 being used in different situations, including cycling, travel, outdoor adventures, and handheld shooting with an invisible selfie stick. And considering the source of these images, it's not exactly surprising. Well-known leaker Igor Bogdanov has already shared several pieces of information about the camera before its official launch. Now, let's get into the hardware, because this is where things get really interesting. According to multiple leaks, the Insta360 X6 could support 8K video recording at up to 50 frames per second. If that turns out to be accurate, it would be a major improvement over the previous generation and could make the X6 much more capable for high-resolution 360-degree video. The camera is also rumored to feature two custom Sony sensors with a physical size around 1/1.1 inch. Interestingly, these sensors may be promoted as being equivalent to traditional 1-inch sensors for imaging purposes. The idea is similar to what DJI has done with the Osmo 360. Larger sensors could make a noticeable difference, especially when shooting in difficult lighting conditions. More light reaching the sensors should mean cleaner footage, better details, and improved low-light performance. Battery life could also receive a significant boost. Current reports suggest the X6 may record for around 140 minutes at 8K 30 frames per second. For creators who spend hours outdoors recording travel videos, cycling footage, or action content, that could be a very useful improvement. Another exciting possibility is 10-bit color recording with hardware-level Dolby Vision support. If this feature makes it into the final camera, the X6 could offer a much more advanced HDR workflow, giving creators more flexibility when editing and grading their footage. But the biggest surprise could be AI. According to Igor and hints from Insta360's own teaser material, the X6 may introduce a completely new AI-powered imaging system. The camera is rumored to use a triple 4-nanometer AI chipset, allowing significantly more image processing to happen directly inside the camera. One rumored feature called PanoMind could be particularly useful. The idea is that the X6 could process and render your footage while the camera is charging. Instead of waiting for everything to export after connecting the camera to your phone or computer, much of the processing could already be finished when you return. There are also reports of Google Gemini-powered cloud editing, although we still don't know exactly how this feature will work. It could potentially help with reframing, selecting highlights, or automating parts of the editing process. And there's one more practical feature: automatic license plate blurring. If it works properly, creators filming on roads or in busy public areas could save a huge amount of time by avoiding manual blurring. Overall, the Insta360 X6 is shaping up to be much more than a simple resolution upgrade. With a new sensor system, faster 8K recording, longer battery life, advanced HDR, and a major focus on AI processing, this could be one of the biggest upgrades in the X series. And with the official launch happening on August 12th, we only have a few more days before we finally discover which rumors are real. So, which X6 feature are you most excited to see? Let me know in the comments.